everyone, my name is Putri Jaranini Permata from class 12B1. So today I want to present a hortatory expression text. The topic is using earphone too often can be harmful. Let's go! Many teenagers use earphone every day for listening to music and watching videos. Using earphone too long and too loud can hurt our ears and reduce awareness. Therefore, we should limit earphone use, keep the volume low, and take short breaks.